Hey guys, it's Nikki. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to do a semi-project share and semi-tutorial. I was recording the footage to show you how I made my Santa cams, and we have a new puppy. My son adopted a puppy from a shelter, and she was barking the entire time. We were trying to do some crate training with her while my family went out to eat, whatever, and she barked through the whole video. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of take you through what I made, and then I'll put on some music and I will let you guys watch the project, how I put it together if you're interested in that. Otherwise, just stick around for the project share. It's completely up to you, but I was working on some cameras. So Tina over at Tina's Craft Creations sent me this one last year in a little Mary mail, and I just absolutely loved it. These are the frames from Dollar Tree. They open up in the back like this. She filled it with this really cool sequin mix. Layered it up over here with some chipboard. It's so adorable. So I actually turned mine into Santa cams. I cut some letters out of my Cricut. If I were to do it again, I would make the lettering just a little bit bolder. I think it's a really fine font and it's kind of hard to see with the busier paper, but I wanted it to kind of be like a cam, like you could set it up maybe like on a shelf or something and the kids could think that it is a Santa cam kind of watching you. So either that or just, you know, let them kind of play with it. But this one I used the Mittens and Mistletoe collection. This is just a flower from Hobby Lobby. I used the little tiny pom-poms from the collection here. This is a pom-pom from AliExpress, I believe. And then I've just got some snowflake sequins in there, and I finished it with a puffy snowflake there from the collection. Just a tiny bit of rickrack there along the bottom. The next one I used is just an older, I think it's an Echo Park collection from like 2017. It's more of like a vintage look to it. So I did the Santa cam again here in the same font. I cut them all out at once without seeing how they were going to look against the paper. So that's why I ended up using them. I didn't want to cut it back out. I did this pom-pom trim around both of the lenses here. Did a different kind of sequin mix in there. And then just added some stickers from the collection here. This puffball is one of the new ones from Dollar Tree. And then this one is from the Feeling Frosty collection. I love the colors. I ended up backing the letters here on some pink shimmer paper. And I was gifted this last year. So I added those on. I think they looked super cute. And then I used the pink rickrack around here and then the little puffball from AliExpress here as well. So those are the three that I made. I was thinking of putting them in my vintage booth. My homemade items are selling really well there, so I'll probably put those in there for maybe $6. I mean, the frames were, actually these were free because Tina sent them to me as a gift, but $1.25, and then you know, just the materials that I already all had on hand. So like I said, about $6 probably in my vintage booth, but I'm gonna go ahead, I'll put it on fast forward like I said, and I'll take you through the footage of how I actually put it together. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.